everyone, it's Court and it's school holidays, and I just thought I'd come to you and I'd show you one of our kits that are new to the online store at Stampin Up. Okay, so this kit here is called For the Guys card kit. Now I've actually done the cards in this one, but I thought I'd just show you what I've done. So I'm not going to get to show you making any, but I can actually show you. They're really easy. They make a great school holiday activity for those that are stuck at home. Birthday cards, Father's Day cards, because we've got Father's Day coming up in September. So you get in the box, essentially what's in the box, you get the instructions. So it's called For the Guys. And a lot of us have difficulty making guys cards, but this makes it really easy. So in the box, you've got all your envelopes, you've got all the card bases, and then all your elements, as well as some adhesive, some ink, in this case, a Mossy Meadow colour, which is a nice green colour, a block. Now, it's not one of our regular blocks. It's about a 6mm block. It's fairly big, but it's not grippy and nice like the ones that our regular box, which I do have one here. You see the difference? Minus the hair. So, but it's still a good block. It does its job. It does exactly what you need to do. I've actually got a stash of these that I keep just in case I run out of blocks, which is unusual, but I've got them. So most of the kits come with these. The paper pumpkins don't, so just be aware of that. I like these because they're nice and, I don't know what's the word, ergonomic on your hands. But anyway, so it comes with a block, comes with your ink, comes with a stamp set. Okay, I don't know the easiest way to show you the stamp set. Oh, I do. Yes, I do. Put it on the back of a card. Can you see all those? We've got, you know, your happy Father's Day, birthday, anniversary, thank you. We've got to you, so you can do happy birthday to you, happy Father's Day to you. We've got dad in 2 different fonts, nephew, son, brother, uncle, grandpa, friend, grandson, I love you, and for all that you do, plus a little bit of a, I don't know, ray of sunshine. So you get a sheet of dimensionals for so that you can make things pop up. And in here, there is a whole sheet, which I didn't use, and it seems to have disappeared. Okay, maybe I moved it to the side. I did, because this box had heaps of stuff in it. But there's some adhesive glue dots as well. So I like my seal adhesive, so I have a tendency not to use these. They're great for when you give it to the kids, they can use it all. Okay, so with this kit, you've got your instructions. Okay, and when you open up your page, it tells you exactly what you need for each card. There's 2 different cards, and then it will tell you how to put them together, what adhesive to use in each one as well. And you don't have to follow the instructions. You can add or take away bits, but essentially you're going to end up with these 2 cards. Let's move that to the side. Okay, hopefully you can see those. They look pretty good, don't they? Okay, now I know that I've given one away, so there's, as you see, this one's being done a bit different. So happy birthday, thank you for all that you do. 1, 2, 3, 4. I know that there's 5 of each. Okay, making 10 cards. Happy anniversary, thank you for all that you do. I do love, look how you can see how it's dimensional up. So we've got a couple that are mixed, and then there's the envelopes that go with them. And these envelopes are actually quite pretty as well. Okay, you can stamp them if you want, but they're pretty paper, so you don't need to. Okay, so that's this card kit for the guys. It's available in the Stampin' Up online store. I'll put a link below as well for the store. And you get 10 cards and easy to do, easy instructions. There's a whole heap of other kits. Just check them all out. Some come with stamp sets in them and a Stampin' Spot. If you think you would like to, you can always add the different blocks if you would like to. Otherwise, you can start collecting with your kits. Start collecting these ones, which do exactly the same job. Okay. collector stamp spots. If you want to add a little bit of extra colour, you can add an ink pad to your order as well. You don't have to do it in the same order. I have a tendency to add fibre to things, so this would work perfectly with our twine. You've got heaps of different options, and then it all fits very nicely back into its box for you to transport it, for you to do whatever it is that you need to do with it. Store it until you're ready to hand out your cards. They're actually very good boxes for shipping stuff. If you want to ship something that's unbreakable, you can fit quite a lot of goodies in this box. How cool will that be, actually? You can turn the box inside out, decorate the box, add a card. Don't get to see Dad very often, or a friend that you want to say thank you to. Send the card, turn the box inside out, and fill it up with lollies and goodies. This box will actually fit in a small Australia Post prepaid satchel, and you can send it for $9.20. So how good's that? All right, there you go. Thank you very much. Oh, I don't know what I'm doing there, but yep, for the guys card kit. Hope you like it.